When setting goals, stretch targets are seen as an important element of creating a high-performance culture. Stretch targets are targets or goals that are a stretch, are slightly difficult to achieve. By setting these targets at a stretch, it causes employees and associates to think more creatively about how they will achieve them, to be energized, to be motivated, to move the organization forward. Setting stretch targets is an art. Stretch targets are a process, they emerge as a process of negotiation between the employee and the manager. The manager is trying to understand what are the possible objectives that the employee could achieve. The employee is a little hesitant to give a very high stretch target number because naturally it causes a little bit of anxiety about whether in fact this performance would be met. A lot of research shows that a little bit of anxiety is actually a good thing. It causes people to perform at a level that they might otherwise not have. We can probably relate to this, as we often do when we are sitting for an exam, for instance. Causes us to put in that little extra effort because we don't want to fail. On the other hand, stretch targets that are arbitrary, that are not the process of careful negotiation, that are not participative, can be very difficult because they are often so badly stretched that employees do not have confidence that these are reasonable targets. If that were to happen, employees do not believe that these targets are achievable and therefore are not motivated to achieve them. Stretch targets are an art. When done well, they create a lot of energy and momentum in an organization. And when done badly, they serve no purpose and do not achieve the goal of motivating employees and helping them achieve better performance that they are designed to do.